Here's a certified 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. From the striking looks to the proven powertrain technologies that are up to any task, this Silverado stands out from the rest. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, external memory control, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, HD suspension, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and V8 engine. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Take it for a test drive today.
At Classic Chevrolet, we want to help. Help you find the vehicle that best fits your needs at the price you want to pay. We're conveniently located just west of the DFW Airport's north entrance.